Meaning of documentation.
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 Documentation. Documentation refers to the written materials that provide information about a particular process, product, or service. It can include manuals, user guides, technical specifications, and training materials. The purpose of documentation is to help users understand how to use a product or service effectively and efficiently. It also serves as a reference for troubleshooting and maintenance purposes. Good documentation should be clear, concise, and easily accessible. Without proper documentation, users may struggle to utilize a product or service fully, leading to frustration and decreased satisfaction.